Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RLFTF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, after today's price movement, a little bit of a tricky chart to talk about because there's some varying perspectives that go into it. One perspective is if you're a flipper, day trader, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought somewhere up around there and your plan was to buy and sell within, an hour. Well, then from that point of view, yeah, the chart's looking rough because there was the gap down this morning and then the price pulled back a little bit there. So from that angle, yeah, chart's not looking so good. However, assuming you are not a flipper, assuming you're not a day trader and you care about more than just a few hours and you care about more so the bigger picture point of view, then everything is still perfectly fine. Yeah, sure, the price did pull back. I get that. But from the grand scheme of it all, everything is still perfectly fine. And what do I mean by that? Well, really, it's a question of, okay, well, where are the lows? Where have the bases previously been? So let me actually just squeeze. We'll just go with this. This already does a fantastic job. So we had a base here. And then there's a higher base right there. And then after today's price movement, bounced right off that green line, which I talked about in the video from Monday's being a level of support. But again, held as support right there. Another higher base. If you envision these as stair steps, what do you have? Well, these stair steps are still very clearly progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to just make progress. So again, sure, if you bought up around here, and now the price has pulled back against you, yeah, that's a painful looking chart. But if you care about the grand scheme of it all, it's very clear that these stair steps are progressing in the upwards direction. So continue to, just focus on that because that's what truly matters most. No price can go straight up. Every price is going to have moments where it needs to, pull back, do a little consolidating. But as long as those consolidation areas take place at higher levels than previous consolidation areas, that's the secret sauce to any sort of quality uptrend, and that's what's going on right now. So as long as the price continues to hold above 57 cents, then really the chart is perfectly okay. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.